Alrighty, we're going to be installing a Lockheed USA lock on this sliding glass door. Okay, so they've just basically got some old parts that we really can't find anymore, and they just need some kind of locking solution on here. So the nice part about these is they have a hook that actually hooks in, so we'll be able to actually put something on here and give them a digital option. It's a mechanical option, but it's a keypad. That mechanical keypad will work great in the cold weather environments. Here you can see the lock fully installed, and we start off by actually locking the lock and the strike plate together. As you can see here, you can see how that big latch swoops up and locks in very tightly and very securely. So what I like to do, because this is a custom kind of one-of-a-kind installation, is I actually lock the two pieces together and then draw out the section that needs to be cut out on the frame side of the door. I use my multi-tool or multi-material tool and cut that material out, and then mount the strike plate on the frame side with these two screws. You can use these two screws that come with it, or if you want a little more security, you could add a longer screw that would go much deeper in, but these seem to be adequate for this particular installation, so that's what we used there. And then again, to line up where the drill holes go, or the template, simply lock the two pieces together so that you know they're going to fit, and then I use the back mounting rubber plate to actually gauge where the holes need to go, and then just simply mark those out with a pencil or whatever you have, a Sharpie. You're going to drill that material out anyways. Just be really careful when drilling this out to make sure that you make a nice clean hole and that the hole is large enough for the two studs to go through and the actual tailpiece that's going to go through into that little portion right there, that round portion with the two little diamond shapes on it. Here we're putting the two halves together, and you can increase the thickness with the shims. There's like plastic little pieces that will extend the thickness if need be, or the little rubber gaskets that come with them as well need to be installed to help keep the weather out of it. And then after those two halves are put together, make sure that everything functions nice and smooth, and this installation is complete. You can look up more information at Lockheed USA to find the perfect locking solution for you and your requirements.